Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix payment history on your credit report. Now, it is difficult to directly fix accurate negative payment history, but I'm going to give you a straightforward guide on how to address inaccuracies and improve your payment history moving forward in 2025. The first thing you need to do is obtain free copies of your credit report from all three major credit bureaus, that is Equifax, Aperian, and TransUnion. You are entitled to one free report annually from each. You can usually request this through their website or a central service. Next, carefully examine the payment history section for each account. Look for any late payments, missed payments, or accounts that you believe are reported incorrectly. Then, dispute any errors if you find them. If you find any inaccurate information regarding your payment history, file a dispute with the credit bureau that issued the report. You can usually do this online, by mail, or sometimes by phone. Don't forget to provide clear and specific details about the error and include any supporting documentation you may have, like bank statements or payment confirmations. The credit bureau is required to investigate your dispute within a reasonable time frame, typically 30 to 45 days. If the bureau finds the information to be inaccurate, they will correct or delete it from your credit report. They will also notify the other credit bureaus so that they can make necessary changes. Now, after doing this, the most significant way to improve your payment history over time is to ensure you pay all your bills on time every time from this point forward. Set up payment reminders or automatic payments to avoid missing due dates. Even one late payment can negatively impact your credit score, so prioritize timely payments. It's very important for you to consider that accurate negative payment history generally cannot be removed. Credit bureaus are required to report factual information. Late payments can typically remain on your credit report for several years, for up to 7 years in many jurisdictions. There is no quick fix, so improving your payment history is a gradual process that requires consistent, responsible financial behavior. Be wary of credit repair companies that promise to remove accurate negative information. These claims are often unrealistic and potentially harmful. By diligently checking your credit reports for errors and by consistently paying your bills on time, you can work towards ensuring an accurate credit history and improving your creditworthiness in the long run. Hope you find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.